Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you the full details on this slick ponytail that I did on my 4C hair. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Sit back, relax. We're about to get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is moisturize your hair. I'm just adding a little water in here. I did just take out my knotless box braids, so my hair is a little bit knotted. I washed it, conditioned it last night, put some leave-in conditioner and some oil in there. So today I'm just taking down those twists and adding some water. I use the Eco Styler gel. Now it really doesn't do that much of a hold, but it holds just enough. It's just what I need. So what I did is I parted off a section in the back first. I'm going to put on some gel and then brush that up into a ponytail. And I do this in sections because my hair is like super thick. So you guys will see in the video. I probably won't even do a voiceover the whole video because this is more just like a show and tell, a visual tutorial. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to get to it as soon as I can. In the meantime, enjoy the video.
Perfect.
And that is a wrap, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And of course, follow me on all of my social media platforms at Life of Alex W. And stay blessed. I'll see you guys next time.